Hi, I'm Alex DiMarzo, a sales consultant here at Cole Chevrolet, bringing you the tip of the day. Today we'll be talking about four-wheel drive. With all this winter weather we've been having, here's some do's and don'ts. Four-wheel drive isn't meant to be used all the time. It's only for certain weather conditions like snow, mud, ice, etc. Driving a part-time four-wheel drive vehicle on drive pavement can do damage to your axles. Make sure whenever you get back onto some dry land, dry surface, make sure to switch it back into two-wheel drive. Fastest you should be driving is 55 miles an hour. If you tend to go over that speed, you can do damage to your vehicle. You can switch four-wheel drive modes between 2 high and 4 high, and while driving without any risk of speeds below 60 miles per hour. You could drive it in 2 high with only the rear wheels propelling the vehicle forward, or when traction gets a bit iffy, you just pop it into 4-wheel high, no problem at all. Thanks for watching this week's Cole Chevy tip of the day. Make sure to check back next week for more useful tips, and be sure to schedule your next service appointment on colechevy.com.